So we are working on the main subject part, that is material master. So material master is in the sense like it is an information of material which we sell, procure, stock and produce. So that means the same material master which is available in other SAP module, but the views and the purpose are different. Like when we say the purpose is to procure, buy material, raw material from the supplier, vendor, and sales and distribution, sell the material to the customer area. Okay, and the warehousing, stock them, whether it is a ready product or raw material or semi-finished product. So stock them to inventory, warehouses. And the production planning is to produce the end product, the final product. Okay. So we have.
Sir, anyone recording the class?
You didn't hear. I think I told Ravi Raju to record.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so we have something called a global standard material type. So we have something called ROH material, HART material, HALB material, HAWA. So raw material is something like what we buy from the supplier, from material management area, which we buy from the supplier, that is the raw material. And then FERT, which is a ready product. Like you can see anything around, like laptop, mobile, so all are ready product. And generally using my sales area to sell the material ready product to customer. Warehousing, they will also stock the ready product. And production, which is they are the one who is giving you ready product. They are the one who making ready product. And then HALB, semi-finished. So semi-finished is something like what you get a gold from gold mine. So that is not pure gold. So that is basically a semi-finished product. Okay. And there is something called trading material. So HAWA. So trading material is something which material acting as a third party material. Like if you book something from Amazon, the person who comes and deliver from e-cart. Okay. The e-cart is a different company who managing the delivery for Amazon. Okay. So that particular material act as a third party material. Okay. So this is your all about your material type, okay, which is a global standard which we call. Now, how do we understand the material data? Say material, industry sector, and then material type. So here material type we are using by default we are using ROH, that is raw material. So when we are maintaining any certain material data, so just assume that the raw material which we are actually relevant to, okay. And what is industry sector and what is material? Like if you wanted to maintain any new material, consider my material is sugar. So what is industry sector? Industry sector, that means this particular material related to what? Like food and related. Okay. The industry sector which defines the background of the material data. So this particular material which is relevant to what? Okay, related to what? I'll give another example. So my material is acid. So it is related to chemicals. Okay. So that is the industry sector. My material is iron ore. And this is related to steel related. Okay. So there is basically understanding. If you pick it up any material data, you also need to know it is relevant to what exactly. So before you create any material data, before you create, you must have the clarity of the both. Okay. So now make a note in your notebook, the path menu. Both are audible.
Yes, sir.
Make a note in your notebook. Material management, material master, material, create general. And the transaction code T code MM01 to create, MM02 to change, MM03 to display.
Done, sir.
Both of you noted?
Yes.
Now let's see the path menu which I gave here. I'm going for this path menu and the T code. So logistics, material management, material master, material, create general. The transaction code MM01 to create, MM02 to change, MM03 to display. Okay, so let's get into MM01. So here, as I showed you, there is a material, industry sector, material type. So material type, select ROH. This is the one. It should be like this, ROH, then in between space, then raw material standard, STD. Remember, this is the only one which is absolutely standard. So